machine learning to adapt and evolve over time. It learns from its mistakes and gets better at detecting and correcting them. It's like having an expert on your team that never stops learning, never stops improving. Clearly, this system is a game changer. But what are its key points? Let's summarize the key points of the AI-powered quality management system. First and foremost, this system is designed with a focus on ensuring consistent quality and traceability. In the world of surface mount technology, or SMT, the ability to maintain a high standard of quality and track every component is paramount. The AI-powered system excels in these areas, providing a level of precision and accuracy that is simply unmatched by traditional methods. The second key point is the system's adaptability and constant evolution. By harnessing the power of machine learning, this quality management system is continually learning and improving. It adapts to changes in the production process, making it an incredibly versatile tool that can handle the ever-evolving demands of SMT production. Finally, the system's potential to significantly reduce errors and improve overall efficiency is a game changer. By automating quality control and traceability processes, the AI-powered system minimizes the risk of human error and speeds up production. This not only improves the quality of the final product but also boosts productivity and profitability. In conclusion, the AI-powered quality management system is not just a tool, it's a revolutionary approach to quality control and traceability in SMT. It's a system that evolves with your needs, learns from its experiences, and consistently delivers high-quality results. No doubt the AI-powered quality management system is an integral part of the future of SMT, ensuring consistent quality and traceability like never